we're gonna put Mentos and soda. Here we go. Here we have the soda right here, and then we have the Mentos. I just dropped one of the Mentos, and then we got a bag for you because you got this Mentos and soda from there. And then we got the trash right there, and my mom's friend's hand, and then that's pretty much it. We're waiting for my mom to change. Hey guys, this is my channel. I'm about to put Mentos and soda in a bottle. Here we go.
You gotta do it quick.